This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC without Bluetooth, providing a stable gaming experience. Many gamers prefer a wired connection for its minimal input lag and consistent performance, which is especially important for competitive play. You will learn the simple steps to set up your controller using just a USB cable. This guide ensures you can enjoy your favorite PC games with your familiar controller, hassle-free. To begin, gather your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller, ensuring it is fully charged or has enough power for setup. Next, locate a reliable micro USB cable, approximately 6 feet in length, for optimal flexibility. You will also need your personal computer, preferably running a recent version of Windows for best compatibility. Finally, downloading the free DS4 Windows application is highly recommended. It translates your controller's input for broader game support. The physical connection is straightforward and quick. First, take your micro USB cable and carefully insert the smaller end into the charging port located on the top edge of your PlayStation 4 controller. Then, plug the larger, standard USB end of the cable into any open USB port on your personal computer. Your Windows system should immediately detect the new hardware, often installing basic drivers automatically. This initial recognition is crucial before proceeding with further software setup. For your controller to function optimally with most PC games, installing DS4 Windows is essential. Navigate to the official DS4 Windows website and download the most current stable version. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the compressed file into a folder you can easily access, such as your documents or program files. Then, run the DS4 Windows application and follow the on-screen instructions to install the required drivers, including the VI-G-M bus driver. This step emulates an Xbox 360 controller, ensuring widespread game compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.